Welcome to today's review of the Capital One VentureOne Rewards Credit Card. We will dive into its features, benefits, fees, and whether it's a worthwhile option for you in 2024. This card is designed for travelers and those looking to earn rewards on everyday spending, all without the burden of an annual fee. So without further delay, let's get started. So first, let's start with how you can earn miles with this card. So the Capital One Venture One Rewards credit card offers 1.25 miles per dollar spent on all purchases. This is unlimited, meaning no matter how much you spend, you will keep earning miles at the same rate. Additionally, when booking hotels and rental cars through the Capital One Travel portal, you will earn an impressive 5 miles per dollar spent. There is also a welcome bonus to consider. You need to spend $500 within the first 3 months of opening your account, and you will receive 20,000 bonus miles equivalent to around $200 in travel value. For most, hitting that $500 spent within 3 months should be relatively easy considering everyday expenses like groceries or gas. Beyond earning miles, the card comes with several valuable benefits as well. First, there are no foreign transaction fees. This makes the Venture One Rewards card a solid choice for international travel, allowing you to use it abroad without any worrying about extra charges on your purchases. Another perk is the auto rental collision damage waiver. When you rent a car with this card, you are covered for damages due to collision or theft, which could save you from purchasing additional insurance at the rental counter. For those who live near a Capital One cafe, the card also provides a 50% discount on handcrafted beverages, a nice bonus if you frequent these locations. Travelers will also appreciate the travel accident insurance, which provides automatic coverage at no extra charge when you use the card to purchase your fare. Additionally, the card offers extended warranty protection on eligible purchases, giving you added peace of mind on big ticket items. Now let's discuss the card's APRs and fees, which is crucial when considering a credit card. So the Capital One Venture One credit card offers a 0% introductory APR for 15 months on both purchases and balance transfers. This could be a particularly useful if you have significant upcoming expenses or existing balances you would like to transfer without accruing interest. However, after the initial 15 months, the APR will increase to a variable rate between 19.99% to 29.99% depending on your creditworthiness. It is important to plan to pay off any balances before this promotional period ends to avoid high interest charges. For balance transfers, there is an introductory fee of 3% for the first 15 months. After that, the fee increases to 4%, and if there is no promotional APR, it could rise to 5% of the amount transferred. Cash advances are another area where caution is advised, with an APR of 29.99% plus additional fees, typically $5 or 5% of the amount, whichever is greater. Late payments can incur a fee of up to $40. So to avoid this, setting up automatic payments or reminders could be beneficial. So in a nutshell, if I talk about the benefits of this particular card, then I can say that the no annual fee making it an attractive option for those who prefer not to pay just to keep a credit card. Generous rewards rate of 5 miles dollars on travel booked through Capital One and 1.25 miles on all other purchases. A solid 20,000 mile bonus after meeting the initial spending requirement, 0% introductory APR on purchases and balance transfers for the first 15 months. No foreign transaction fee, a significant benefit for travelers. If I talk about the cons, the 1.2 miles per dollar on general purchases is average as compared to some other cards that offer higher rewards rate. Balance transfer fees apply even during the introductory period, which could reduce the savings if you are transferring a balance. The high-cost introductory APR makes it essential to pay off any balances before the 15-month period ends. So, in conclusion, the Capital One Venture One Rewards credit card is a solid choice for those looking for a no annual fee card with travel benefits. It's particularly appealing if you want to earn rewards on everyday spending and enjoy perks like no foreign transaction fees. However, it's important to weigh the average rewards rate against other options available, especially if you are looking to maximize your earning potential. If this card's features align with your spending habits and travel needs, it could be a great addition to your wallet. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching.